Want to download Windows 11 for ARM machines? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to get the official ISO directly from Microsoft. First, open Google Chrome and go to google.com. Next, type Microsoft Download Center in the search bar and hit enter. Click on this link. Once you're on the site, click on the search icon and type Windows 11 for ARM machine, then press enter. In the results, click on this link. Now, under the editions list, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for ARM64 and click Download. Choose your preferred product language, then click Confirm. Finally, click on Download Now, and as you can see, the Windows 11 ISO for ARM64 starts downloading automatically. And that's it. You've successfully started downloading Windows 11 for ARM machines. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides.